I hope this question isn't
I hate life so much.
I hope this question isn't a touchy subject or anything. I don't want to see you guys upset. Could we see your parents sometime? Hey girls, who's the mom you're living with? Technically, we're capable of living on our own, but we live with our mom. I don't know why though, she's barely ever here. She always leaves. She's never had the time to take care of us. I don't even remember at what time she said she'd be back. Wait, did Mom ever say when she'd be back the last time she left? Don't know, don't care. I honestly wouldn't mind if she didn't come back at all. What? How can you say that? I know you two fight a lot, but that's just hateful. Don't you care about her? Nah. Scootaloo! Oh, come on. I know you don't like her either. And even you have to admit that that it's not nice to have her here when all she does is yell at us. We'll come back when she comes back. It's not like this is the first time she stood us up like this. Apple Bloom? Adrius, we're gonna go look for her. Wait, what? Are you serious? Why do I have to now, Scootaloo? I don't want to hear any more. We're all going to look for her. And I don't care just what your argument is. What? Just go! Damn it. Hey Scoots, Apple Bloom and Sweetie Belle, do you ever see Rarity, Rainbow Dash, and Applejack? If so, what do they look like now? Also, do you see Twilight, Fluttershy, Pinkie, etc.? Yeah, we don't see them often as you expect, though. We're going to talk to them before we leave town. Scooter, though, you're going to talk to Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy. I'm going to see if I can contact Twilight to know where... I'm going to see if I can contact Twilight to see if she knows where Mom is. Oh, great. I can already imagine the refreshing conversation that I'll be having with my good friend Rainbow Dash. I can tell this is going to be pleasant. Sweetie Belle, do you agree with this? Is Sweetie Belle going with Scoots and Apple Bloom? What about Sweetie? I'm just like, Sweetie, are you okay? LMAO. You're asking me? I don't know, I just can't argue with Apple Bloom, especially when she's like this. It's not any of my business anyway. Hey Apple Bloom and Sweetie Belle, what is your elements? Wait, I haven't told you, have I? Huh. Weird. Apple Bloom has electricity. She can make sparks and stuff. Sweetie Belle has water magic. She can't spawn it, but she can manipulate it. Skittledee, you said that Babseed and Twilight have powers too. What are they? Oh my god, I haven't told you about Babs. She's my cousin, but she lives in Manhattan, which is miles away from where I live. She has earth magic, so she can move the ground and stuff. Please remind her to talk about it. Please remind me to talk about her again. Also, yeah, Twilight has magic, but it's simple alchemy magic. She wasn't able to get elemental magic because of her rank. Sunset Shimmer has powers, though. She's a fire mage like me, but she's a little more advanced than me. Whatever. I hope this was useful in some way. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to get dressed. Unplug me, please. How are T-Bone and Moonshine? Are they here? This is a question for you specifically. Where's T-Bone? When will she show up? I'll answer this. Moonshine moved to Canterlot to study her magic, and T-Bone was killed in the battle. Don't bring it up to Scootaloo. Question. Hey, cat, fire, dog, fire thing. Why are you plugged into the computer? I was made at an AI that worked at a trading facility. Sorry for crying like that. I can get a little emotional when people bring up, the past. Alright, let's go downstairs to meet Apple and Sweetie Belle. You can come too. Yay! Please answer this. What happened to the humans? You said there aren't any humans in Ponyville anymore. What happened? Alright, history time. Oh my god, it's me! It's me! It's me! Before Equestria was discovered, the land belonged to the humans. So the EOP tribe leaders wanted to claim the land so that they could build over it, and in return, they would share it with the humans and let them live there. But the humans weren't too keen on letting us claim their land, so we sort of took it from them. And years later, a couple of humans decided to live in Ponyville. Some grew up and spent their lives there. Others moved away so they wouldn't have to deal with us. Most of them were fascinated by us because we are monsters. Kind of rude, but whatever. Either way, humans have been around for a long time. But of course, they died out just as fast as they came. It seemed like they had gone extinct, but just stopped visiting Ponyville. No one questioned it, and then nobody really wanted. They were just really, wait, what the? KONJIIIIIII, what are you doing?